Hello everyone, my name is Del C. Arnold. I'm the CEO and founder of Asfaleia Designs, and today we're going to be doing a review of our crossbody bag. And of course, there's something very special about our crossbody bag. It does have ballistic armor plate pockets that allow you to hold ballistic armor panels, or AKA bulletproof, and then you can use the bag as a shield if there's ever an active shooter scenario to cover your vital parts. So. Additionally, we have the Magnetic Retention CCW Pocket that's inside. It's very quick, very easy to get inside to your weapon if there's ever a threat and you need to pull it. So of course you probably know about that. When the adrenaline rush kicks in, blood flows to your core, leaves your fingers or your extremities, and you actually lose feelings in your fingers. So it's very difficult to deal with the zippers that are on most CCW handbags that are in the industry today. You definitely don't want to be fumbling around with zippers when your life is in jeopardy. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I want you to know is that this is an Italian design. We had it all designed in Italy. Nice floral design, and it is a vegetable tan leather. So some of the highest grade leather that you can get in the industry in the world. We didn't spare any expense when it comes to this bag. It is a little bit of a smaller bag because we had such a demand for smaller bags. We had a lot of different ladies at various shows, the Great American Outdoor Show, the NRA show. They expressed an interest in making a smaller bag. So we had some larger tote bags, then we ended up making a smaller one. And so now here's our crossbody. It definitely is a smaller bag. It's meant to carry a smaller size pistol, so you want to keep that in mind. But it still is a very capable handbag. So we do have some nice custom Asfaleia logo, metal logos on there, as well as straps. And we have two different straps. You have a short one right here, and then we also have a longer one that's adjustable. So if you want to carry it on your shoulder, you can do that as well. Very high quality. It is slash proof, so you won't be able to. They won't be able to cut that off if you're walking down the road. Let's go ahead and before I get that, let me show you the matching wallet that we have. This is an optional wallet. There is an extra charge for that though if you're interested in that. It's a very high quality wallet, and we'll go over that in another video. So. Let's go ahead and show you the Magnetic Retention Pocket. I think that's very important. So here it is on the back side. You can just see it just works by magnets. It's very easy to get to, so you don't have to worry about zippers, stumbling, and there's your pistol. You can pull it out pretty much with ease, and with a little bit of practice, you can get very, very good at this. And so we've had people do it probably in about a second. So it's one of the fastest draw in the industry that I've seen so far, okay? So there's the Magnetic Retention CCW Pocket. Let's go ahead and open up the front so you see that nice floral design. So it kind of opens up the whole flap. And so inside, we have a place where you can put your cell phone pocket and a little bit of room in there. It doesn't have a lot. Again, it's a small bag. It's meant to just carry a few things in there. But here is the ballistic armor plate pocket right there. We have a specially designed pocket where you can put the plate in, and just kind of comes out just like that. This is our level 3A 6x8 soft armor. So this will stop pistols and shotguns as well. So we do have a hard option as well. So if you want the hard option, they are stab proof and strike proof as well as bulletproof. And so we also have a level 3. That level 3 plate, it's going to stop AR-15s, AKs, and 308s. It's a little bit thicker. It's going to fill up a lot that bag on the inside, but if you want that, you can definitely get that for sure. And so you can just kind of put that plate back in there. This is a military grade tactical Velcro. You just put it in place just like that, and you have now turned this bag effectively into a shield. So you can use it to block your vital parts if you're ever in an active shooter scenario. So you can learn more about this bag online at www.asfaleia-designs.com. That's ASFALEIA designs.com. Don't forget to check us out and subscribe for a monthly newsletter. We have some special discounts and things of that nature for people who do that. And don't forget to like and share us on Facebook. That always helps. And today we want to thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much and have a great day.